Hey guys, how you doing? All right, I just want to remind you guys, there's a link down below. It's a Linktree link, and it gives you the links to my Amazon store, to my store that I have merchandise like hats and shirts and stuff. But if you see anything on the show, go to my Amazon store, and it should be available there. There should be a link right there. All right. Okay, today we're talking about a company. I want to make sure I pronounce Walden Farms. I used to say Walton Farms. It wasn't Walton Farms. I did that for years. It's Walden Farms, okay? And they do, if you've ever dieted before, you'll know this company. All right? These guys make products that are literally sugar free and and what did it say? Fat. This says sugar free, calorie free, fat free. Wow, that's a big claim. A lot. This one, same thing: sugar free, calorie free, fat free. So they all say that. Let me explain to you what we got here. We're going to do a two-part series. We're doing these today. We're going to do these tomorrow. All right? So, anyway, come on in close and I'll show you the products and what their names are. So, first of all, let's talk about these. These are kind of like dessert dips. All right? You have marshmallow, raspberry, strawberry, chocolate, and caramel. I don't do desserts a lot, but I will give you my honest opinion on the flavors. Not that I'm going to crave using this stuff. This is more what I crave, the sauces. But these dips can be used like if you have, I know Profile has its own little bit of ice cream. I could put some of this on there. You could use this in a lot of dishes, okay? This will be tomorrow's review. We're going to take care of that. Today, we're concentrating on these three. And you have honey, you have, what do you got? Original, and then this one is hickory smoked. And this one's the honey one. Yep. All right, so we're going to try out these flavors today. We're going to break out some beef ribs. Yep, that's right. You never see beef ribs on the show that often. I'm kind of excited. We're going to put this on the beef ribs. So each will have a small little section of ribs, a rack. Each one is going on one, okay? Then we'll try them out and we'll see how they are and see if they're worth buying again or there's an aftertaste or whatever. So we're literally reviewing the barbecue sauces today, the dessert toppings tomorrow. All right? They look a little watery. I'm a little concerned, but we'll try those in a minute. Let's put them off to the side here. But you have to shake them well. So I've shaken them for a few minutes and they're as well as they're ever going to get. Now we're going to, first we're going to pre-cook these to almost done. Then we're going to sauce them, put the sauce on, and then cook them the other way. I don't know if they'll caramelize. I doubt it since there's no sugar in it. But they might. Who knows? They might get a little crusty looking. I don't know. But first of all, I want to just season these with basic salt and pepper. There we go. And then get some salt action going. There we go. Salt and pepper, all of them got. And they'll get sauce in a minute, but let's get this in the oven. The oven's ready. And then we're going to roast. We're going to kind of cook this. Then we're going to put it back in the oven with sauce on it to finish it off, okay? Let's do that. Okay, I got the cap. There we go. It's running off a lot. I mean, it is a little more watery than I thought. Let's hope that doesn't affect the flavor. So we're gonna close that up. That's the original. Open that up. Cut this. All right, take this one. one. This is the hickory smoked one. Try that out next. There we go. Make sure we got enough so we can taste it. That looks pretty good. I'm getting hungry. Okay, so I'll leave these here in the order we put them on. See, this one is further back, so I'm going to place it exactly like I had it. So the further back one, more exposed bone. Well, I don't know how it's going to cook up, so I'm just going to put this one all the way back to the edge. There we go. That one goes on this side, so we could try the other ones too. So let's kind of brush this along. There we go. Get that brushed in. Get that brushed on. And get that brushed on. This one looks the best over here. This hickory one's really looking good. So we'll find out in a minute. Interesting. What I'm noticing here is that the ribs almost drank up the juice that was on top. It feels like there's no juice on, there's no sauce on there. But you saw me put it on, so they've been flavored. Let's see how they came out. Interesting. All right, guys, so I cut a rib from each one. We're going to try it out right now. Let's grab the, wow, it's a little hot. Let's give it a few minutes to cool down, then we'll try it. Let's see. Nope, it's good. All right. So we're going to start with the original. Here we go. Okay, that original is better than I thought. That's not bad at all. Has just enough flavor to it that it's not overpowering. Some people like to dunk it in sauce, but that has just enough flavor. All right, let's try this honey one. These are really good, guys. Can you tell I'm surprised? They looked a little watery. I thought they were going to have an aftertaste. They're not. No aftertaste. Here's a big one, eh? Here we go. I am thoroughly surprised. I'll be buying these again. Walden Farms, congratulations. I'm almost curious how good those other toppings are going to be, those dessert toppings. This really makes a difference. These three really made a difference on those ribs. So I got to say, my mouth's full of the flavor of this sauce and the ribs and the salt and pepper. It's beautiful. I give these a big thumbs up. I'll have a link down below if you need to find them. If not, grab them at your local store if they sell Walden Farms. Sometimes that might be hard to find. I think you have to go on the internet to get these. So I will try those toppings in the second part of this video, all right? So in the meantime, go make some ribs. I love you guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.